fellow students, and my lovely friends. Today we gather here to celebrate a momentous occasion in our nation's history, our Independence Day. So that I wish to all happiest Independence Day. Myself, Dhruti, I'm studying in first standard. India became independent on 15 August 1947 from a cruel British rule. 78 years ago, India broke free from the chains of colonial rule, embarked on a journey of self-determination and progress. This independence we got was a result of lots of sacrifices and struggles in our great freedom fighters. The great freedom fighters are Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Honoré Baba. There are so many people, freedom fighters, is reminds so that we have the power to shape our destiny, to change our dreams and make a difference in the world. Let us use this freedom to create a brighter tomorrow. Every individual can think and reach their potential. And we should work hard, stay united and make a beautiful. At last